try this. Langka sweet. Langka ice cream with langka strips and roasted cashews. So you can see guys, bawas na siya. Oo nga guys, so sabi yung bits ng langka and ang cashew. First bite. Sabi, lasang-lasa yung langka. Oh guys, ang laki ng langka bits. It's good. If guys favorite nyo to langka, you must try this. Super worth it. Hindi mo mahilig sa ice cream pero sarap nito. Wow! Yun lang.